Okay guys, this is the 2008 starter motor, Prolon R1, obviously. Okay, so what happens is, press the button, hear it, get the buzzing noise. So what you do from this point, when you get the buzzing noise, because the starter motor is stuffed, is select first gear or any gear, just whatever turns out to be lucky one. Right, rock the bike forward and back until the motor turns over a cycle. Try again. You get that. And then eventually we'll start. That's what you got. So my bike's been running on warm, just to re-demonstrate a few times to get the perfect way to show you. Now, bike off, on, still in neutral, wait for it again, start. Eventually, after a while, we'll go back to the buzzing noise again, I guess because the engine's cold, motor will stiffen up. And yeah, so if you get the buzzing noise, rock the bike back and forth with any gear, just keep on doing it with any gear. And change gears, rock back and forth until you think it's done its cycle on the engine. It's turned over a bit, you feel the lump kind of thing when you push forward. The motor will start to buzz a bit. And that's the fuel management buzzing. And then after that, you'll get this. Now when I start the bike, the starter motor, the starter itself, after being not stuck, which is the buzzing noise, it'll rattle a bit and it'll start the bike. So give it a few goes. Don't be shy, maybe wait there for 5 minutes, try it out, make sure the battery's charged and everything else. My battery was both charged. And yeah, give it a shot. And like I said private before that, maybe it is the battery, but if it's not, rock the bike back and forth in the gears and try it again.